Welcome back to the track, everyone. And NZ, how are you, mate?
Oh, look, I'm doing all right now out there, Hot Car Track. Thanks for asking. But, mate, after that shindig down at the Inferno, after the heats, it took a while to recover out of that one. Those van drivers, mate, geez, they can party.
Right in front of us are the semi-final teams that have made it through. Let's have a look and see who's racing tonight.
Hey, welcome back to Scoop Adams. He's going to be driving for 100 Proof Racing again, and he's behind the wheel of Rock Lobster.
Alongside of him is Big Sam driving for Cut Rock Racing in Tranny Tradie. This has Black Fire tyres on it.
And here's another van sporting those Black Fire tyres, and that's O'Sheila. Built by Power Drive Racing, and Triple J is behind the wheel of this beast.
And the final van is Speedy G behind the wheel, driving Gold Rush for G4 Diecast Racing. Good luck, everyone.
Right, first semi-final of Vantastic. Pick your favourite and let's go racing.
Semi-final one done and dusted. Some big teams missing out on that final spot. It's a tough, cruel event this is. However, only 2 teams can go through.
Hey, well done to Speedy G from G4 Diecast Racing. You've made it to the finals, mate.
Also the builder, Power Drive Racing, with the driver DJ Triple J behind the wheel driving Sheila. You're off to the finals. Congratulations. NZ, let's have a look at some highlights. What's your standout, mate?
I'd just like to do a quick shout out to Big Sam. Raced well, but that Tranny Tradie was absolutely smashed by every other van on track tonight.
Yeah, good call on that, NZ. Well, the favourite for me tonight was this green and white van. Power Drive Racing is the builder. This has Black Fire tyres and its name is O'Sheila. Look how well it's just sticking to that track. Unbelievable just how well built this is and how those Black Fire tyres really make it handle better on this fat track.
Well, there you have it. 2 great vans by 2 great builders already out of the semis. Cut Rock Racing, Toodaloo Kangaroo, and 100 Proof Racing. Catch you on the flip side, mate. Thanks for coming, guys.
Okay, thanks again, NZ. This is a wrap from Shorty right here on Mount Western Raceway. Until next time, we'll see you in semi-final 2.